7 foods and hacks that work for men and women of all ages in all corners of the world.
First up, nuts and nut butters. Almonds, peanuts, cashews. These are calorie-dense, nutrient-packed, and easy to add to any meal. Just a spoonful of peanut butter or a handful of mixed nuts can add serious calories and healthy fats.
Why they work. Nuts are nature's calorie bombs, small in size, big in nutrition. A handful of almonds or cashews packs healthy fats, protein, and around 180-200 calories. Scientific proof. The Harvard School of Public Health lists nuts as part of the top foods for long-term weight management and heart health. Example: a 2-tablespoon serving of peanut butter in a banana smoothie adds approximately 200 calories instantly without making you feel stuffed.
Science shows regular nut eaters have better nutrient intake and health. Add nut butter to oatmeal, smoothies, or toast. Snack on nuts between meals.
Tip: mix almond butter into oatmeal or spread it on whole grain bread for an easy calorie boost.
Always choose natural, unsweetened nut butters. Skip the added sugars and oils. These small changes make a big difference in healthy, sustainable weight gain. Make nuts a daily habit for real results. Next, whole milk and full-fat dairy. Classic muscle-building staples.
Why they work. Dairy provides complete proteins, casein and whey, and healthy fats that directly contribute to muscle repair and growth.
Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are packed with protein and support gut health. Swap water for milk in shakes, or enjoy a glass with meals for extra calories. Lactose intolerant.
Research. A 2019 Journal of Nutrition study found that participants who consumed dairy alongside resistance training gained more lean muscle mass compared to those on lower protein diets. Example: drinking 1 glass of whole milk, 150 calories with each meal, can easily add 450 calories per day, without extra cooking. Tip: opt for plain yogurt with honey and nuts instead of sweetened yogurt for better nutrient balance.
Try lactose-free milk or fortified plant-based options. Dairy is a simple, effective way to boost your calorie and protein intake. Carbs are your body's main fuel. Focus on whole grains and starchy veggies. Oats, brown rice, sweet potatoes, and quinoa provide lasting energy and help build muscle.
Why they work. Foods like sweet potatoes, brown rice, quinoa, and oats are rich in complex carbohydrates, which give you long-lasting energy and support training recovery. Example: 1 medium sweet potato provides approximately 100 calories and is packed with vitamin A and potassium. Research. The British Journal of Nutrition confirms that complex carbs improve glycogen storage, essential for athletes and active individuals.
Pair carbs with protein for optimal muscle growth after workouts. Fill a third of your plate with quality carbs at every meal. Prep grains in bulk for easy, healthy meals all week. These foods add calories, fiber, and nutrients, fueling your gains and your health.
Tip: add brown rice or quinoa to lunch and dinner. It's an easy, cheap way to increase calories.
Choose complex carbs for steady energy and better results. Healthy oils are your secret weapon for easy calorie boosts.
Why they work. Oils are extremely calorie-dense. Just 1 tablespoon of olive oil equals approximately 120 calories. Research. Olive oil is part of the Mediterranean diet, linked to improved heart health and lower inflammation according to the New England Journal of Medicine. Example: drizzle olive oil over pasta or roasted vegetables. Tip: avoid refined vegetable oils. Stick to olive, avocado, or coconut oil.
Olive, avocado, and coconut oil are loaded with heart-healthy fats and nutrients. Remember, balance is key. Use oils to supplement, not smother, your meals. Smart use of healthy oils means more calories, better health. Protein is non-negotiable for building muscle, not just fat. Aim for about 1.6 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. Choose lean sources: chicken, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like lentils and tofu. Include protein in every meal. Think eggs for breakfast, chicken for lunch, fish for dinner. Mix animal and plant proteins for a full range of nutrients.
Why they work. Protein is the building block of muscle. Without enough, your body stores food as fat rather than using it for muscle growth.
Protein repairs and builds muscle after every workout. Consistency is key. Make protein a priority every day.
Research. The American College of Sports Medicine recommends 1.2-2.0 g of protein per kilogram of body weight daily for healthy mass gain. Examples: eggs, 6 g protein each; salmon, 22 g protein per 100 g; lentils, 9 g protein per cup cooked. Tip: spread your protein intake across the day for better absorption. Smoothies and shakes. Why they work. Easier to consume than massive plates of food, and you can pack multiple nutrients in one drink. Example, blend banana, oats, peanut butter, cocoa, and whole milk. 600 plus calories in a single glass. Research. A 2017 appetite study found liquid meals help people increase calorie intake without the same satiety limits as solid foods. Tip. Use smoothies between meals, not as meal replacements. Resistance training plus calorie surplus. Why it's essential. Eating more without exercise often leads to fat gain. Strength training tells your body to use calories for muscle. Research, the Journal of Strength and Conditioning. Research shows a clear link between resistance training and increased lean mass when combined with surplus calories. Example, train 3-4 times a week. Push-ups, squats, deadlifts, or resistance bands all count. Tip, track your calories using apps like MyFitnessPal to ensure you consistently eat more than you burn. I've seen young men in Ghana, women in the US, athletes in Europe, all apply these steps and completely change their bodies in a matter of months. And it's not about looking like someone else. It's about becoming your strongest, healthiest version. Start today, stay consistent for 90 days, and your reflection will tell the story of your dedication.
This is the foundation of a stronger, healthier you. Struggling to eat enough? Drink your calories. High-calorie smoothies pack protein, healthy fats, and carbs into one easy meal. Blend whole milk, protein powder, nut butter, oats, banana, and spinach for a nutrient-dense shake. Liquid calories are easier to consume and help you hit your targets. Customize with fruits, yogurt, or seeds for variety. 1 or 2 shakes a day can make all the difference for hard gainers. Smoothies are the ultimate hack for fast, healthy weight gain. Here's the game changer. Combine resistance training with a calorie surplus. Lifting weights signals your body to turn those extra calories into muscle, not fat. Focus on compound moves, squats, deadlifts, presses, and rows. Train 3-4 times a week and push for gradual progress. Beginners can start with bodyweight exercises and add weights as they grow stronger. Rest is crucial. Muscle grows when you recover. Consistency in training and eating is the formula for real transformation. This is how you build strength, not just size. There you have it. 7 science-backed steps to healthy weight gain. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your body transform in 90 days. This journey builds more than muscle. It builds confidence and lifelong health. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.